For the first one, you actually have to do some math, which is probably the problem that took you the longest. It wants to know the point estimator that you would use and the value of it. So basically symbol equals number. What statistic is this problem dealing with? What value, like what of the data am I trying to figure out? The mean, and it's going to say that somewhere in the problem. Just like it did with chapter 7, it tells you if it's mean or proportion. This one's mean, so that means our point estimator symbol is what? And you actually had to calculate this here, and you got what is your X bar? Say it again. 30.35. And what else do I need? Number 3, Tanya wants to estimate the proportion of seniors. It says the word proportion. In our school that plan to attend the prom, she interviews a simple random sample of 50 of the 750 seniors in our school and finds that 36 of them plan to go to prom. What is 50? Symbols, letters wise. Lowercase n. What is 750? Capital N. We don't need it for this problem because we're not doing much, but why in a long process would you need to know the fact that there were 750 at the school? If we knew that n equals 50, why do you think in the long run we would need to know that? 10% condition. So it's at least 500. That's checking that part out. We just didn't need it for this problem. And then 36 is like our number of successes. So because this one's talking about proportion, what symbol are we using for point estimate? P hat. And I find P hat by doing what divided by what? Which gives me in this problem what?
0.72.
0.72.
Yeah.
Proportion again. Report cheating by other students. Simple random sample of 172. That's my lowercase n. This is my number of successes. So P hat equals 19 out of 172, which ends up giving me about what? All right, so this is the whole idea of the ones that we made yesterday. It is telling me that I took random samples 25 different times. So like yesterday during our class, we made 6 of them. Down here, they made 25 of them. What did these red indicate? They missed. How many of them missed? 4. So how many of them did not miss? Out of? Which gives me what percent? What?
0.84.
So this is closest to which one of those? So that would be your best guess because 84% got it. So that our best guess would be those 80%. Could have been 90%. But our best guess would be 80%. So same exact scenario, except what do we see here? None of them missed, which means that what percent of our 25 random samples actually captured it? 100 of ours did, so our best guess would be 0.99%. Questions there? So number 9 and number 10 are basically like the whole concept of what we did yesterday. You won't physically see a problem like that very often, but that's the whole idea of everything that's going on behind the scenes of what we do for this chapter.